What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here with your $1,400 third stimulus check update, fourth stimulus check update, and related news. Great news is that thousands of our viewers are reporting that they got their $1,400 stimulus check deposited today. We're going to go over the latest information on who got it, who's pending, who didn't get it, which banks, as well as information on fourth stimulus coming out and a breaking news story that happened just moments ago, actually in the recording of my last video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on new updates on the upcoming round of stimulus, as there is multiple different provisions on the horizon, and President Biden has already started it with two different rounds of $1 billion or more of a student loan forgiveness, and we're expecting a lot more in the near future. Also, hit the like button for us down below, and here we go. Earlier today, in the recording of my last video, a car rammed into a barrier with two police officers there, and one officer is dead and one officer is injured, and the suspect was fatally shot, as this was kind of considered a terrorist act, and police are responding. Washington, D.C. is under a lockdown because of this, as they're not sure if this is part of a larger attack. In fact, here is Washington, D.C. right now.
I repeat, due to an exterior security threat, no entry or exit is permitted at this time in any building of the Capitol complex. You may move throughout the buildings, but stay away from exterior windows and doors.
This is the actual car that slammed into two police officers, killing one, injuring another, and apparently the suspect driving the car was fatally shot by Capitol officers. So it does not appear to be part of a larger attack right now. As you can see here, police said a vehicle ran into two officers. A suspect exited the vehicle with a knife and started lunging towards officers, who then fired on the person. Acting Capitol Police Chief Pittman said at a briefing today, quote, "He did not respond to verbal commands. The suspect did start lunging toward U.S. Capitol police officers, at which time police officers fired upon the subject." The suspect has been pronounced deceased. Two Capitol police officers were transferred to two different hospitals, and it is with a very heavy heart that I announce one of our officers has succumbed to his injuries. Our prayers go out to that officer. Let's hope that this is not part of anything larger, as the Capitol, as we've seen previously. Also, I want to wish Good Friday to all of our viewers out there who celebrate. Happy Good Friday and happy start to the early Easter weekend. And it was a happy start, a happy early Easter weekend, to what looks like millions of people who actually got their $1,400 direct deposit for Social Security early. Remember, I announced that the IRS was depositing the checks starting today, and there was a small chance that they could become available earlier for some people, as we've seen this in the past waves of the direct deposit. And some people have announced on our channel in the comments that they have gotten the $1,400 direct deposit early, although a lot of people are going to still be pending until Wednesday. As you can see here on the comments of our last video, several people reporting they got their check. Here is Angel saying, "Just want to let everybody know that my stimulus came in, but I have my disability attached to net spend, and that usually means it comes in 5 days whenever it was normally processed, which means the government sent me the money over to the bank early and processed it early." Mary Rust says, Happy Good Friday, everyone. My $1,400 just hit my account about an hour and a half ago. I use Chime Bank, and they always let me have my money as soon as it's processed. It's so cool. When I had Direct Express, they would make me wait until the last minute, so it'll probably be the 5th, 6th, or 7th. I pray you get them ASAP. Linda says, I got my direct deposit stimulus check today. I'm from Marion, Indiana. Thank you to our president and government, and thank you to all you do. Jimmy, God bless you and your family. Thank you so much. Same to you and all of our viewers. James Schmitz says, My wife literally got her $1,400 check 15 minutes ago. Joyce says, After a long 3 weeks, my husband finally got his $1,400 stimulus check. He is on SSI. Linda says, Glad for the ones who got their checks today. I still haven't got mine. Thanks, Jimmy, for all you do. So, as you can see in their comments, there are a lot of people who got the deposit early and it's not pending until Wednesday the 7th. It looks like people who got the deposits and they cleared today are Chime users, NetSpend, MetaBank, Cash App, Green Dot, H&R Block users, and TurboTax users. Let me know down below in the comments if you received it today, and if you're part of one of those banks, or if you have an additional bank there. We'll try to figure out which banks are sending the money to you guys immediately. But it does look like it was an early Easter present, as these were expected to land or to clear on Wednesday, April 7th, which is still 5 days from now. But it looks like a lot of these banks are sending the money early, as the IRS did start to send them out today. Now you guys can start to look forward to fourth stimulus and the fourth round of stimulus. Also, I'm not sure if the IRS is still sending out the fourth wave of these direct deposits. It's possible that these might take hours for them to do it. So it's possible that you could still get it pending tonight or tomorrow. But as I said, I don't want to get anybody's hopes up. The official IRS payment date for these direct deposits is Wednesday, April 7th. So if you get it before then, just be happy. If you don't get it until then, that's what is expected to happen. It's expected to clear on Wednesday, April 7th for the majority of people. So some people got it early today. We're so happy for you guys. Happy Easter for all of our family. Remember, we are a big family. We're not competing with each other. We're not mad that other people got their deposits early. Remember, this is the fourth wave. So some people got actually in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we're still here for you guys, rooting for you guys. So you will be getting it hopefully. And remember that there's still mailed checks and debit cards in the mail going out. If you don't receive the direct deposit this week, it's likely that it's more likely every day that goes by that you will be getting it in the mail via a paper check or a debit card. Also, if you're with the VA, the veterans, unfortunately, your checks are not even going out this week. Okay, so we're hoping next week for you guys. But if you're on VA, don't be discouraged or don't be looking forward to them this week because they're not going out this week. The IRS says they hope by mid-April. So we're hoping that you will get it next Wednesday, the 17th, or maybe if we're lucky, they'll send it out next Friday like they did for this week. And maybe some of you guys will get it early, but I will keep you up to date on that. Now, on the fourth round of stimulus, remember there's multiple different provisions on the horizon. President Biden has now canceled 2 minor rounds of student loan forgiveness, and those were $1 billion and $1.3 billion. He also did a third round, which is pausing interest and payments for over 1 million students. I went over that in some of my past videos. You can go look for any video that has student loan forgiveness at the end of the title. But President Biden is requesting information on the legal authority to cancel student loan debt for the masses. This would be the $10,000 to $50,000 or more. And he says he's willing to do $10,000 of student loan forgiveness. And he requested the information from his newly appointed education secretary to look into the information on if he can or cannot cancel this through a presidential executive order, which means it wouldn't have to go through a bill through Congress. It wouldn't have to be part of the next package. It could simply be done through a presidential executive order. Chuck Schumer, the Senate Majority Leader, says this can be done simply through a presidential executive order, but President wants to clarify this. The fourth stimulus check, as every day goes by, is really being growing in support by the numbers. I expect by the time they actually go to pass this fourth stimulus package, there will be at least a fourth stimulus check included. We actually have about 100 different legislators from the Senate and the House combined, and the number is growing by the day to not include just one stimulus check in the next package, but actually monthly recurring stimulus checks in the next package. The interesting thing is that we're already seeing that Republicans are not going to vote for this infrastructure package. Even though in the past they typically are for infrastructure, they're against this package because Biden's doing it, or it's coming from the Democrats, or they think that there's things in the infrastructure package that shouldn't be in there. And I mean, the Republicans kind of think that for every package so far and every bill we've seen so far from the Democrats. Honestly, I just kind of feel like in Congress right now, the Democrats and the Republicans are just very far apart. Their views are very, very different from each other, and I try to stay in the middle. Sometimes I agree with some things from the Republicans. Sometimes I agree with some things on the Democrats. But typically, when it comes to stimulus, I am trying to get, or I feel like my emotions want you guys to get as much stimulus as possible. So when it comes to stimulus, I'm generally pro stimulus because, well, that's what this channel is about. It's about helping as many of you guys as possible, getting your finances in order, becoming financially independent in the future. That's what I did. So I'm a big fan of that. My dad worked at a grocery store for over 35 years, and I worked for several years also. I worked when I was 14 years old at an amusement park called Jogga Lake in Northeast Ohio. I worked when I was 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And when I was 18, I started my first internet business, and I've been a full time entrepreneur ever since then. I've had a lot of different businesses. I've been an investor for over 20 years. At one point in time, I had a limo and bus company that I started with just one limo. I actually met my wife out one of the early nights when we had our first limo, and she helped me with that company for many, many years. And 10 years later, we sold that limo company when we had an entire fleet of limos and buses. I believe we had around 15 or 16 limos and buses at the time. And we started it with just one limo. And when we sold it, we were over 15,000 customers. So that shows you that anything is possible. You can literally come from nothing, start small with a small business, and really, if you work really hard, accomplish your dreams. The one thing I've noticed with any entrepreneur that succeeds is not luck. It's determination and desire and working at your business every single day. If you notice, YouTube is one of our businesses, and we bring you guys the information every single day. We do 3 to 4 videos a day, 7 days a week. We've been doing it for months. We also have an Amazon business, and we have our investments and things like that. So you can go from nothing, relatively speaking, when it comes to money, to the sky's the limit. And the number one reason I see that happens with entrepreneurs, and we've done this with multiple different businesses throughout the years, is the amount of work and the dedication and the desire you put into it. Because I feel like if you half-ass it, for lack of a better word, anything, your results are going to be halfway. You really, in any business we do, we literally work at it 7 days a week. So and that's kind of what I feel has brought us success from doing any internet business. And honestly, I'm going to be real with you. Every business does not work out. We've had lots of businesses over the years that simply didn't make it, or couldn't make any profit at all, or really couldn't get off the ground, or really it was a good idea, but maybe it just didn't work out in the long run. And that happens with business because basically you're trying to start from nothing and create an entire business, basically a whole entity, something that grows on its own. Very similar to this YouTube channel. When I first started this about 2 years ago, I had 0 subscribers, and I was doing videos on Amazon at first, and then I switched to Stimulus, and it really exploded. But since then, a lot of Stimulus YouTubers have quit and given up and stopped uploading, and here we are still 2 years later bringing you 3 to 4 videos a day with the latest news, the latest stimulus updates. A lot of people said the second stimulus check would never happen, and they were proven wrong. And a lot of people said the third stimulus check would never happen, and they were proven wrong. And now there's people saying the fourth stimulus check won't happen, and they'll probably be proven wrong as well. I personally think we will see at least one more stimulus check under Biden. Based on a source, there is Biden doesn't want to send out less stimulus checks than his predecessor, President Trump. And Trump sent out 2 stimulus checks underneath him. That's why, for one reason, I think we will get at least one more stimulus check underneath Biden. And remember, the Democrats can really pass these packages on their own. So, with the reconciliation process, or possibly even get rid of the filibuster. So if they want recurring stimulus checks, which we're seeing now over 100 different Democrats pressing Biden, we just had a new letter written this week by 21 out of the 50 Democrats in the Senate for recurring monthly payments as high as the 2 figures we've seen for the recurring payments is $1,000 a month and $2,000 a month, either till the pandemic ends or till the pandemic 1 year after. So remember, just disregard the naysayers. Be happy we got the third stimulus check. We got the second stimulus check, the first stimulus check. We got these child income tax credits, the child payments. We got these adult income tax credits that you can get up to $6,000. We got these unemployment checks. We got the mortgage assistance, rental assistance, property tax assistance, utility assistance. We have student loan forgiveness starting, more on the horizon. Hopefully, we'll see that $200 per month Social Security increase in the near future. There's a lot of potential things in the future for the next round of stimulus. I'll keep you up to date on all of those, and it's been our pleasure, my pleasure, to be able to bring you guys the latest information every day. Thanks for being part of our community. You guys are really awesome. I really read through your comments every day, give you hearts, respond sometimes. We get about 10,000 comments every day. So I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, remember there's a fake scammer going out naming himself It's Jimmy. It's an imposter scam, what I call it. If you ever get a comment from me in the comments with a whole bunch of weird characters and it says contact me on WhatsApp and they have like weird characters between every letter, they do that to try to get around the spam filters. But I will not ask you to contact me on WhatsApp down below for investments or for Bitcoin or anything. I won't ask you to contact me at all in the comments, okay? Anytime you see that that's a scam, and there's going to be even more scams going out right now based on the tax returns that are coming out, which are really delayed, by the way. I'll go over that more in upcoming videos. And these third stimulus checks going out. There's scams for both of those. There's also scams for student loan forgiveness. They will not call you for student loan forgiveness and ask you for your personal information over the phone. If anybody at this point calls you and asks you for your personal information or asks you to call them and then ask your personal information, just don't give your personal information, your bank account, your social security number, or your password to anybody that you don't know at this point for anything, because honestly, there's so many scams out there. And our goal on this channel is to get you guys as much money as possible and financial freedom in the future, not to get scammed and lose your money. So please be very careful and let me know if you received your $1,400 stimulus check today. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on new updates. After subscribing, you can click the bell icon that appears and click it to all notifications to get reminder notifications when we come out with new videos on the upcoming rounds of stimulus. New videos come out every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., 8 p.m., and 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can click this top video here to watch my newest stimulus check video next. And this video is about how we teach people how to start their own business selling products on the Amazon FBA program. I've had dozens of students that have already replaced their 9-to-5 job. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.